BLOCKCHANCE 2021.
We're almost to the end of the day, but you are in for a treat and a real BLOCKCHANCE highlight, the Blockchain Kindergarten. Please welcome my co-moderator, Janina Panza, to the stage. She's going to take you back to school. Janina?
Thank you, Holly. And I'm introducing now Moritz Schildt. Hi, Moritz.
Hi, Janina.
You're not only the CEO of Nordics and the chairman of coinIX, but you also do other stuff in your free time. Why do you volunteer for blockchain?
Well, actually, when I started understanding crypto and then more and more digging deeper into blockchain, I had the conviction that this is a technology that's going to change our life, and that so many people don't yet fully, I mean, it took quite a while for me as well, don't fully understand what the potential is, what it is all about, and how it possibly will change all our day-to-day life. And that was the reason for founding Hanseatic Blockchain Institute with some entrepreneurs in Hamburg.
And what do you do?
We do quite a lot. We do workshops for corporates. We do every Monday a Blockchain Monday event where we have speakers from different areas talking
And right now that is virtual, and normally that is taking place in Hamburg, right?
It used to take place physical, and now it's virtual, but it's more or less every Monday. We will restart everything in January.
And I understand that your goal is to help people to understand the blockchain better.
Definitely. I mean, it's complicated. It's technical stuff, and so that was part of the idea of developing the blockchain kindergarten, which we already did on the first or the most recent BLOCKCHANCE, because if there's something we can explain to our kids, and then we ask our kids to explain to other adults, then maybe we get more of a message across.
And why are you passionate about it? I love to talk to people about their passion. I love to see it in people's eyes that there's a sparkle in there. Why did it start? When did it start? And why are you passionate about this?
Well, I like the idea of community. I like the idea of transparency. I like the idea of sovereignty of individuals. And blockchain is so much the technology that hopefully is the basis for a much more decentralized world in the future.
And I understand that you're so interested in that you involve your family.
Yes.
So the stage is yours. Have fun with the blockchain kindergarten.
Great. Thank you, everybody. We want to take the next 30 minutes to give you a flavor of what we do with data and why blockchain may help about it. And we have help of some young friends. And I think everybody's aware that data is more and more a thing that is relevant all over our lives. And currently, what we mainly use is this thing. This is a centralized database. And all centralized databases have an administrator. Hello, is there an administrator? And let's see what they do with your data.
Hello. Hi. Hey.
Yes.
Hi there. We are a new website, and we make your shopping experience much more fun. How does this sound to you?
Really? That's cool.
Great. I would just need access to your credit card details.
Sure.
Wonderful. And no worries. Your data is safe with us. Hey. Hi there. We have a new app, and we make it much easier to register something. Platforms. How does this sound to you?
Really? That's mega cool.
We would just need a copy of your ID.
Sure.
Wonderful, and no worries. Your data is safe with us. We also have a new platform, and we make daily transport much faster. How does this sound to you?
Really? This is so awesome cool.
We would just need...
Sure.
Wonderful. And you know,
Yes.
we have a new thing that has to do with your health. How does this sound to you?
Really? This is more than cool.
We would...
Sure.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
Me?
Oh, this is your data.
Yes, but it is still mine. They promised it is safe.
Oh, are you sure? Show me.
Hello, I'm a client. Could you do me a favor? There are some old files and I would like to have them deleted.
This is Data Protection Center of your preferred data service provider. Thanks for being a client. We appreciate your call and we are always here to help you get in the best user experience. In your particular case, we are unable to meet your request. As we have provided a significant number of copies, and we are unable to delete all these copies as they are widely spread with a number of cooperation partners. You have consented to this practice in paragraph 4, 5, and 6 of our general terms and conditions. We apologize for any inconvenience caused and thank you for your trust as a valued customer of ours.
So,
Wait. Hello, I'm a client. Could you do me a favor? I have deleted some old files and I would like a copy of them.
This is Data Protection Center of your preferred data service provider. Thanks for being a client. We appreciate your call and we're always here to help you get in the best user experience. In your particular case, we are unable to meet your request as we have already deleted all copies of your files. As amended, we felt that they are somehow redundant in our system. You have consented to this practice in paragraph 7, 8, and 9 of our general terms and conditions. We apologize for any inconvenience caused and thank you for your ongoing trust as a valued customer of ours.
What should I do?
this is the old word. The new word is blockchain.
But blockchain, how does it work?
Blockchain is as easy as pie. There's no central administrator whom you need to entrust with your data. Everybody can be a part of it. The idea is that each of us, all of us, the community takes care of your data. And everybody can be part of this community. As if we would choose people from the auditorium to act as node operators for your data. So we just pick a few people from the audience and ask them if they are willing to become part of the system.
But everybody gets a copy of my data. How does it work?
No worries. It is as easy as pie. All your data is encrypted. And as it is encrypted, it's useless, and you can give copies to everybody who helps operate the system. However, without the private key, no one can get information out of this data.
But if I want to use the data or share it, how does it work?
It's as easy as pie. You, as the owner of your data, you are the one who holds the private key. Think of it as a pair of magic glasses. And only who has a pair of these can read what is hidden. Let's try this with an example. This is the encrypted data, and only if you wear the glasses, you might be able to read what's on it.
I love blockchains.
Great.
But if I want to share my data, how does it work?
It's as easy as pie. If you want to share your data, you just grant access to other people, but only to these who you want to entrust with your data, and only to the extent and for the duration you determine.
But is it safe? How does it work?
It's as easy as pie. Everybody who is operating a node in the system is part, and he has to observe a common protocol. All data in this protocol is stored in a transparent way, so everybody can check if the data is still there or has been altered or manipulated. And the smart thing is, as the data is stored in blocks like this, each block is hashed. We use a way to seal the data by a digital fingerprint like this. Now Teresa and I try to wrap this with a digital fingerprint so nobody can change it. Zieh mal auseinander. And as everybody who is operating a node in the auditorium will use the same protocol, they all have the same hash value as a digital fingerprint to ensure that the data is not altered, not manipulated, and has not been deleted. And this is one block of a blockchain, and as we call it, chain, every 10 minutes usually, we get the next block that's directly added to the first one. And again, we do a digital fingerprint of the entire system. And so we have a transparent way to store your data in a way you don't need to trust a central database anymore. You use a community of users to help you store your data, and eventually it's all transparent for all of us. And we did the same thing already in 2019 with a few more kids, and if you see the final slide, then maybe you get an idea of what we like about blockchain, because it stands for many things and values. It's about transparency, it's about efficiency, it's about traceability of data, it's about empowerment, because each individual holds the power to determine which data is yours. It's about trust, and it's about security. Thank you very much. Geh nach vorne an.
Thank you, Moritz. And also thanks to Lulu, Teresa, and Moritz's son, Felix. And the voice of Tanya.
BLOCKCHANCE 2021.